Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I just want to make a quick video about the F80 M3, F82 M4, and F83 M4 as well. This also applies to the M2 competition. Basically, any car that has the S55 motor in it. Yeah, I'm gonna basically go over what you guys will need in order to make about anywhere from 500, 550 wheel horsepower. And then also, if you want to make it a little more than that, about 600 to 620, what you'll need for that as well. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to go ahead and install Catless downpipes. Now, Catless downpipes you can't see from here, but underneath the car you can. Basically, they have your catalytic converters in them. And so the reason why you want to get rid of those is because you're going to be making more boost. More boost, more pressure. You need to basically free up airflow by removing those catalytic converters out of those downpipes. Second thing you're going to need is charge pipes. Honestly, these plastic OEM charge pipes on the S55, I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep on wanting to say S65, but the plastic OEM charge pipes, they're no good. So you got to go ahead and upgrade with some metal ones. You see I have some sort of, it's not a leak, but there's oil that sometimes gets through on the charge pipes. So I have to end up clamping that down a little tighter. But these are metal VRSF charge pipes. I think I picked these up for like 300 bucks. I can't remember how much, but your downpipes probably about $500 to $600, maybe cheaper if you find them used. VRSF charge pipes, that's another 350 bucks. And then all you need really is a tune after that. So I'll show you what tune I went with. Good old BM3 boot mode. Boot mode's really easy to install in the car. Really just hooks up to your OBD2 and use your cell phone or laptop, whatever you got, and you're straight. You just flash the car just like that. It's very simple. Couple optional items for making that stage 2 power. You can do intakes. I got the Ingens on here. Great intakes, sound good, get the job done. There's more expensive and cheaper choices as well, so you don't have to go with Ingen or anything like that. Another one optional item which I would highly suggest would be your crank hub. And no, I can't see it from here. But the crank hub on these is a notorious weak point when making big power. And I would highly suggest you take care of that before you push up to 600 horsepower. And to make about 600 wheel horsepower, you need to be having a custom E85 tune. So you'll be able to run full E85. And I personally have that tune. I'm not running it right now. It's kind of overkill for the track, but it is fast as fuck. And my crank hub only lasted, I think, about 4,000 miles before I spun it, running the full E85 tune on an OEM crank hub. So keep in mind, if you're going to be making that much power, you really should look into getting the crank hub done first. Honestly, you should look into getting the crank hub done first with whatever aftermarket tune you go with. Just because that is the safe bet. You don't want to ruin a motor this new and this expensive. These motors used on eBay go for about anywhere from 9 to 12 grand. And I don't know about you guys, but I'd rather just pay $2,000 to have my crank hub upgraded and call it a day. But other than that, if you guys have any questions about the F80 and how to get that power, if I wasn't clear enough, please let me know in the comment section or DM me and I'll go ahead and help you guys out. Yeah, that'll be it for this one, guys. Take it easy.